yes, you're going to cut it.
Puppy also. Stay Africa. I like your American vibes. Someone tell me why this lady so sexy. What? Why is so sexy in the house? Looking at man? 2023?
Yeah, after all that strong back we've been making her ride me, I must can put something sexy for ride me.
Hey, do it.
I'm going to drink strong back. I wake up in a 2023 in a one different vibes. 2023 make me, some things are stand up, some things are jump and some things are kick away. I never know say I did, remember say I did that.
Anyways, are you farming today? I'm willing to farm. What are we doing?
I don't want to in my garden. My wait on the rain for farm. Oh, go get it as care come let me cut off the several them. Before the one of them go pick them up.
Me and this lady, my scissors. And she lost me scissors and I come tell me about to go look for scissors.
Hold on. Me I go in her room and see if me can squat and put arm up there.
Where do my scissors? Me can't recall you giving me scissors.
The same here.
Me an idiot. I'm a fool. Because me can't recall. See, I'm giving her a different scissor. This is a bigger one to the one that I lent her. Me can't recall getting back my scissors. You're going to borrow this and please return my scissors. This is not the one that I lent you the last time. What's this? So we're going to cut some salad.
Get something for put it in her.
Okay.
What's so big? She not coming like that from mother.
How are you feed the dog pan? Wow.
It's a big man.
Yes, so I'm gonna reap what I sow.
How are you so?
Sorry, I'm gonna wash my hands to come after. Take my sorry on.
Come make sure I put on my gloves, yeah?
I'm gonna put on my gloves, yeah? Because the soil can get messy. Guys, I apologize for my late vlogs. You'll realize that I'm posting late. It's because I've been doing a lot of things and then the editing takes a whole heap of time. And from I get this new phone, it just feels so unbugging to edit on this phone. But trying to like give you videos as soon as possible. So this I got post late. This is actually January the 2nd. Yeah, the 2nd of January. Yeah. Also, I need some video ideas. Adekibu, try not to forget your view. This is what I intro, yeah. What I'm gonna make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Yeah. I'm ready.
So the numbers can get I till it run past everybody for your support the channel that naturally. Hey, I see you great.
You guys for what? Yeah, I will give you my backside. Don't worry.
We're not gonna record though.
Can you record my backside?
Wow, look how we plant up here, son. Make it look nice.
What do you do? If you're not even know say I read, there's a reap out and a replant.
Say that me just say. Watch your daughter follow you.
She ever follow me, you know.
Yes. So how do you do this now? Teach us. You have to pull out that?
It does.
Oh. That's how you pick it? Why you do that? To don't spoil the root or something?
So yes, you're going to cut it.
Puppy also.
Oh, me like you.
Lord have mercy. As I say, guys, I'm free, so anybody wants, you know, just come to our house. We can give you another address.
I know my house, yeah, send people. Cause you know, me not play them game there. Me I entertain, me carry them go an entertainment center, me I entertain in my yard. Me not like people in my comfort zone unless it's people where me welcome in my comfort zone. But it's not anybody me put in my comfort zone. Me can keep on bashment like Bonner Boy. And we try boil some sorrel and keep that stadium.
Okay.
All are invited and the Keisha's pocket.
Jesus, so why is it so tough? And hard to come off. So nobody can teach sorrel.
And not anybody will teach sorrel because sorrel come like ackee. That's why I'm in a buy
Here.
If it not open, if it don't fit the proper way, you can get poison. And the sorrel tree still a bear, you know.
You know, so if me I like people, I mean pass on to sorrel and on Christmas time, you know what I do?
Yeah.
Wait till now.
Go and go pop off people's sorrel and then it poison you because them don't know when it's ready from when it's not ready. If they want sorrel, then go plant sorrel.
Sheila, come out the road! Sheila come like she had a suicide mission. So you pop out this side and make it stay. And beer again?
Yeah.
1 more.
Oh, I eat me just a thing, but just that thing about if you just root them up and replant. Sheila!
Hey!
Sheila, stop it.
Hey! Watch out! Come here!
Come over there. Come over there.
Come to me!
Get too violent.
I be a man Sheila power with you know, that's why she's so violent.
Look here now, don't make me have nothing. Don't make me have nothing this morning. Go and lie down. Lie down, me tell you to lie down. Sit down there, sir. Sit!
Sheila, tell her say she put you out there in her
smart,
hubby.
no?
Yeah, she's
She get
smart.
put out, but she remember so she have to eat still. If you ever go out there,
Where you say
and
the
look in your
sorrel
face, you cluck like dog. Quack!
Jesus Christ, I tell you about it.
She not go quack, she go cluck.
When the sorrel there, I'm blind.
See sorry pan the gun, you step on it down.
Are you suit outfit?
Huh?
For this.
What's that?
The suit outfit?
No. Is them have suit for this? No, I just said blouse. My bad.
Yeah, them have suit fit. She have one. One skirt.
Okay. Can't teach it for you then.
And I see him Sophia one.
Yeah.
Every time I see me on John, I don't get
What, the blouse? I say blouse?
Yeah.
Oh, I like the skirt.
Yeah.
It would be nice.
I saw it look.
Yeah, show them the back.
I saw. You fit there, Lisa?
No.
Yes,
We like it. We like the look of style.
the like a style and look. Yes, the
Pack here and see sorrel down there.
Why you have to Ashley?
That's why you just put my dear that one.
A fart. That's what?
that was a pop.
Should that all over the side?
You know?
Auntie Judah, how do you do them? They're ripe already?
Oh, you know when I'm right.
Them open like ackee.
Oh. What's that? You like I got lie down and just said
And your mom?
oh, she? Of course.
Her mom.
It's my grandmother actually.
Well, is your grandma?
I joke, I'm
Well,
an auntie.
Auntie Judy is not.
One, the bucket of water over the tree.
Auntie Judy.
The one over there was your aunt?
Yeah.
Guys, Auntie Judy is 22 years
She's
old.
a strong lady, you know. We can't bring
Becky,
anything.
Auntie Judy is 22, okay?
She's 21? 22?
Yes. So, Becky, only Friday alone I post one.
Fridays? I'm not sure. I'm going to post one video today, but I record one video. I'm not done
So when you
edit
gonna
it.
post this?
What Friday or after? No, I want to post a video today. I can finish
Post
edit
this
it.
student.
No, the video I have to post. That's the first video for the new year. The first literal, well, not the, yeah, the first video I shoot pan anyway. So I have to post that first. And this is a follow-up video. No, when I do that, yeah.
Are you doing?
Yeah.
You buy the wig?
Yeah. And me install it. Boop, 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 boop. Boy, the sun hot. Our girls don't stand in sun.
Whoa! Jesus. That girl stand in the sun and take pictures.
No, we're not over, man.
Why you put me in your vlog? You gotta get ready. And
Yeah, go out.
yeah, we go.
Yeah, come out.
Hi guys. Well, let's talk with ear come out today.
Yes, and dread up the side of the ear.
Yeah.
Right through. Look on the ear side. I'm at that.
Right there, girl. Guys. So I'm gonna take off Decky vlog. So you see Decky. She not give me no New Year's gift. I'm vexing her.
No, my gift.
You know to forget your gift. Neither me. We don't get our gift yet. So we take care of the key vlog. Show me right in a tree. Good morning.
I guess. Yeah, this is like on draining.
When you look at the key, boo, what did they give me? What? Look at the butt. So it's the butt for me. It's the butt for me from the key.
For you.
It's the butt.
Look at your butt.
So, if you don't want, I'm going to look a joke, I'm going to laugh. Yeah, we're going to just link, wait no, just link up the key. And if how much views you want? You see me? What's your name? Then me make you get no view, me make you laugh till you're dead. That's ask them. Becky, how many subscribers and like do you wanna get? Becky, call me. I'm gonna get some joke, make them laugh. So if Becky get 500 subscribers, I gonna do laughing video. I'm gonna laugh. So I don't really watch this. Cause I say Becky, I'm gonna do one prank for today. Glow my lip up sound. Play dogs. That's how the glow looks. I do it at 2 times. I do it now. So, you know watch this. Come do one prank at the glue. Yeah, come on. We're going to the road. I'm jammy. Just put on them bubbles. So, if you don't want to see me, I'm going to do the video. Just tell me, okay? So guys, we're going to do one funny video. Me going to tell the joke, and we're going to dress like clown. And Sansa, clown, yeah, like anything. And we're going to make it enough view. You can collect your money from YouTube. And so, I tell him say 500 million.
500 million views.
Yeah. See, Becky come over me yard and call. No, we can do it over there too. Table band. Yeah, I'll fight.
Oh, what she say?
No, you can do this something with the glue and stick it up.
What she say?
A video and put for Instagram. So guys, I'm gonna stop making video. No.
Oh yeah, try. I've been over. Sing the song. You're the pan a decky boo. A decky boo. Every time you see me, you don't know the song. Sing the song.
A decky boo.
Yeah man, mega planted.
Channel forget your views.
Listen to the intro, yeah. Make
I me use as black pepper.
Subscribe and share that easy. Your thought on the video, you have to leave it. So decky boo can see it and read it. New video I got upload weekly. Press like so the numbers can get high. Till they run past everybody video to support the channel. That not kill you. Hey, a secret. So they run fast.
And you can't keep you for learning. You see me learn a song, I have to pay me $1 million.
I have to pay you $1 million.
Yeah,
You want to get the $1 million views where you say I get, right? I like.
Now I like. What you know? Catch you at a like.
That more.
What you like?
What's a lady smart?
The lady smart is that?
That's your draining system.
Yeah, so when me don't come and water, me don't have to worry. Give me gloves where you have on.
Auntie Judy, calm boy.
Where I say my gloves don't mess up coming out do nothing. That's what I say, you know, guys. We'll get the gloves. Hold this, yeah. She I say I don't need the gloves, you know. But that's what I need. I don't know what I mean, I gloves.
This is the second breed me I rip off of them here. I see the tree them
And
at
if you like, you know what I mean?
Yes, Becky boo.
I need a go through there.
I don't know, you know, enough, you know.
Enough, I go like so we can do.
You don't know learn. I'm not going to be the
Hello.
them man and I like overtime. They not go mind, you know. They might just be carrying go Burger King and Tasties and buy them one.
Burger King expensive, yeah.
Then I got me never tell you what them going to buy at Burger King.
Okay.
And maybe it's only a fries them can't afford.
Right. That's not nice.
Me I tell you the truth. And them a young boy, you see none of them interested for.
Arrow and from. And the thing too is that adapt the level.
You see, you know, you see when people give back things, better me go find him at the sister.
I did never give me back.
It's the right which part they on the steel, them a right there so you put it.
Me.
I lady now pick me something so me no want you damage it something cause them a beer back. Well that's the thing. Me no depend on ears. And ears make race and speed kill.
Oh my.
Mercy.
Mercy. What people think?
All this hard work around. What am saying?
Them bend over if him did have him phone him take a picture and I bend over.
Sure.
Yeah, walk and live like a
He might look back to part. He might look back. He wants to bend over again. You see? The man them on the bend over, man.
And what kind of tacky you go work, darling? They look like a necessary phone. Them man nowadays not have much use.
What?
Me say, if you don't notice that them a young man nowadays not have no much use, so they not feed them body good. Them not feed them body good, so them can't turn up long.
Yeah. I get the wrong one.
No, my dear child, that's the problem.
I get the wrong one, you know.
Me not get none, and that's the problem.
You not get none.
I'm not interested right now.
Okay, alright, check when you're ready.
No, my dear child.
Yo, tap it, man.
Them bend over
Yeah,
here.
me see your sorry
Them bend over here, you know. I feel.
quality.
No, I never said that. Everybody have quality, me not degrade.
No, me say them bend over there quality.
Them have to come with quality action behind it. You can't come with a little flimsy good.
Yeah, man, the macabim there for you, man.
No, man, them macabine, they not going nothing right now. Two before not going with nothing. We want the plank.
Talk, yeah, talk.
That just there.
You talk about you want the plank, and you can't manage the plank.
Don't worry yourself. You don't worry about when me can manage it. If you
Yeah,
have the
manage the
plank. If you did have the plank, you would know if I could have managed baby love.
Jesus Christ.
I would have walked it like a pirate. Aye. We make man talk Latin and Spanish and them only know English.
You know you're out there.
That termite here. Me? You.
That termite, me no cocky for it.
Jesus
That's
Christ.
the thing. Them is only a bullets for a couple sections because they can dead easily. Termite, you have to go deep. You have to go to the root to kill it.
A cup of tea, hear your mother. You know why you come out in a one shot, stand up now.
No, you see why I only wear tights.
What that?
I'm merengue. They say,
Like a man in Spanish and free.
I'm free. Preach. After a sermon.
I feel like pastor.
That's why me ask you what kind of preaching thing you talk about.
It's free.
Oh,
Free.
no.
Free.
After I show me that, if you want to watch something free, you go watch a TV.
Free mean.
If you want something to pray, you watch a TV.
Guys, I took some detox tea yesterday. She said name Senapad. A belly a kill me and now. Come like I know it'll work. One night me alright. Woo. Make sure y'all go over Trydylite's channel. That's Trydylite.
What the money turn over better? I better money turn over, so tell me. Either riches or what? Which one you rather? You don't want to get some money? Alright.
Why don't you leave the man alone?
Yeah man, can't deal with import man. We have to go export, can't the thing global. No man, I don't do importer, I do the exporter them. Them work out better for me. I not have drama in my yard. So I work with it. So I work with the exporter them. I not work with the importer. Me say, what? What's your role, so? Turn around, let me see it. I want the bag hide it, you know. Don't go around and show nobody something, you know.
What kind of
where you
Me
come
talking
from.
to my friend, make you know so.
Pause the video because we're doing some madness on TikTok. Yeah, TikTok video shooting. See my plant, some melon over there, some papa. A papa that's it? Look at it! I see some cassava there.
I'm a coconut to the goat, them a kill.
This? Yeah.
More fat.
Some more papaya. Something smell dead.
Yeah, they were the side of rubbish bin.
Yes guys, so the girl has climbed up a tree to make one TikTok video. You have to go climb the garbage bin.
Me not look like garbage. That's why I never climb the bin.
That's why you had done it?
Show me. You're not talking life story.
Not try to take care, man, and good you for your looks. True friend, show me.
You're not talking life story.
Not try to take care, man, and good you for your looks.
But period.
So I know some of my subscribers aren't Jamaicans, but we're gonna talk in different accents and see who says it best. So we all know how to talk with Jamaican talking, but more hear your Jamaican Creole.
What muji? What mumbatak? What muji?
How's your best? Your best can? Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw you talk. You say, well, I'm a battery. Like how me talk, no, me talk naturally. What? It sound like two man.
Oh, for that, they keep.
Like that. Yeah.
Oh, that.
So I saw the talk, let me hear your voice.
You never tell Jamaican
What
accent.
Jamaican voice? Your regular voice.
Oh!
Jesus! So
You can't talk like already.
alright. Talk. What's your name? Say
Tamikwa.
Tamikwa, your name? That's nice.
My
I like your
name
name.
is. My name is Jamil.
My name Jamil, yeah.
My name Jamil.
My name the Keisha.
My name
My name is Tamikwa.
Rebel Carvas. My name is Swamikwa. Alright, so
Listen.
African now.
Nesado. Sha baby. Shuneke. Hey.
Hey, what are you saying to me? Hey, what was that? Hey, she be like,
You beat me pan.
hey.
You beat me pan. African talking.
Listen, watch a lot of them. Okay, watch some right now and it's on me that eat that like. Let's do British.
You first.
You know, I'm nervous. I'm not British now. Come, you, an accent girl. British, like,
Can I get a pic? Can I
can I
get
get a pizza?
Can I get a water?
Hey,
Can I get a pista?
can I get a
I'm
pizza?
so ugly.
Can I get a?
Okay.
Aw, yeah. Sheila, take that up. Get up. Yes, get up, man. Get up. You know what I'm saying? No, British accent, God. Like it did it, but
Hey.
it's not British again.
What
That is Africano. Say, I put a pot. You put a pot.
Chinese. Chinese.
Spanish. Vámonos. Tela.
No.
Te amo.
Lactaros. Lectera.
American. Yeah, so I was just going down there and I saw this guy and he was like, oh my god, you look so good. And I'm telling him that like I'm from Texas, and he's like, "Oh, you bitches in Texas?"
So I was like, Mom, what you calling me for? You have a daughter who can do stuff for you.
Right, girl. Come on, your turn.
I say, yo, where you going for?
That ain't American, girl.
I say, Mom.
Get your ass up and get out the house.
Man,
You're
you're
late for
so lazy.
You're late for
I'm
school.
gonna say, sis, you can do everything for me. You don't do anything at all in this house.
Period.
Over me.
Period.
Okay? And if you don't do it, I'll go to YouTube eyes in your face.
Stay at Africa. Stay at Africa. I'm gonna let your American
But
vibes.
it's your time to clean the house.
I'm gonna have to stay at Africa.
You better stay Africa.
Hear ya?
You better stay Africa.
Alright, so
so,
which song on the love? Which?
me don't know, but I just love spice.
You love Spice?
Double cheese.
Double cheese. I'm gonna know that one
Double
there.
cheese in it.
Enlighten me.
Rolling.
Alright. We're not rolling on here.
Oh, my Instagram live now.
Live. Yeah, we can't go live. So guys, we're gonna end the video here.
I'm going to live.
Right through. Peace. We don't even realize we're gonna live.
With Daddy Boo.
But nobody know the plan is.
So dog food tastes nice.
Yeah, that food nice.
We should I go panty?
Yeah.
Somebody just
Now I'm making a video and these two Marik says they want to go live. So I'm on live now.
asking a question. Cat food can eat.
And that's it, walk up on the live for